Hey, this is the DIY Magician. Coming up next is a selection from the stage contest at the 2018 Winter Carnival of Magic. Enjoy.
Coming up next, hailing from not Louisville, but Louisville, Kentucky. Let's give it up for number 5. Jim Harris, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you. Welcome to Pigeon Forge. Ladies and gentlemen, Harry Houdini was the most famous magician in all the world. Most people know him as an escape artist. He could get out of anything: boxes, chains, handcuffs, bags, jail cells, you name it, he could get out of it. Most people don't know that he was also a magician, just like most of you. He would perform nightly at the Hippodrome Theater in New York City. And he would do a show which was 2 hours long, and he only did 3 tricks, believe it or not. He did the handcuff escape, he did metamorphosis, and he did a trick that he called needles. Now, most people don't know that Harry Houdini had the ability to regurgitate. He said he taught himself this by taking a small potato and swallowing it on a string and practicing with his muscles of his stomach, esophagus. He finally got, after several months of practice, to the point where he could bring the potato up without the string. I don't know if that's true or not, but if it is true, it explains how he got out of his cufflinks. He would simply swallow the key, and he would regurgitate the key at a later time and unlock the cufflinks. Why did he only do 3 tricks? Well, back then, audiences were a lot different than they are now, and Houdini would actually go out and have 6 policemen from the local police station come up on stage, and they would completely check him out one at a time. It took a lot of time. Sometimes he would have his sub-trunk built on stage by carpenters. For his walking through the wall illusion, he actually had bricklayers come out and build a brick wall right on stage while the audience sat there and watched. True story. Now, I need some help from the audience. Would you mind helping? Come up here, please. Thank you. And your name? Crystal. Everybody say hi, Crystal. How are you, Crystal? I want you to take a look at this, Crystal. I have here a spool of ordinary thread. Would you check that out? You will be the ears and eyes of the audience. Okay? Good enough? There's no good way to do this. Check this out, Crystal. A little tomato with ordinary needles. Would you take one out of there? Make sure it's an ordinary needle, not a trim needle. Sharp, very sharp. Be careful with it. Okay? Now, Houdini would sterilize his needles with rubbing alcohol. I prefer 80 proof. Good? Number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's give Crystal a big hand. Thank you, Crystal. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how I envision Houdini doing needles almost 100 years ago.
Okay, let's give it up for number 5, Jim Harris.